In this video, you will learn how to activate a new Chase credit card, receive your card, wait for your new Chase credit card and receive by mail in a secure envelope, call the activation number or go online, locate the activation instructions on the sticker attached to your card. You can either call the toll-free number or visit the Chase activation website. Log in and provide account information. If activating online, log into your Chase account. If you're calling, be ready to provide your card number, last 4 digits of your SSN or other verification details to prove it is you. Follow the prompts. Carefully follow the automated instructions on screen to confirm your identity and activate your Chase card. Remove the sticker and sign the card. Once activated, peel off your sticker, sign the back of your new Chase card for security. Start using your card. Your card is now active and ready for use, for purchase, billing payments and adding a new digital wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.